The devotion to the Virgin de Paller, patron of Bagà, dates back from the 13th century. At those times, there was already a first sanctuary, called El Paller de Dalt, which was replaced by the current in the 18th century. It is located less than 2 kilometers from Bagà, in a site of special natural beauty, in the depths of the Cadí Moixeró Natural Reserve. The temple and the attached guest house set a gable building. The church has a neoclassical style and has a single nave with barrel vault. In the inside stand out the 18th and 19th centuries murals and the Baroque altarpiece with the Virgin de Paller, one of the recovered virgins that we can find throughout the country. Bagà inhabitants have a great devotion to her. Every year, on the first Sunday of September, it is held a meeting of the Virgin de Paller. Surrounded by forest, the sanctuary is the starting point of many roads through the natural reserve Cadí Moixeró, and the popular site over the trail called Camí dels Bons Homes.